Ningizimu Afrika thokozani sanibonani Dumelang Ngapshini Angelo. This khehla lamakhehla nyanga enkulu yaseNingizimu Afrika Dr. Hoti himself. Ngisuke endaweni yaseMondio 180 ENM Road, Mondio Johannesburg. Siyathobeka, ngiyabingelela, ngiyabulisa. Ngisendaweni impela yaseMondio bakwethu. Rightly near Columbine Avenue bakwethu, rightly near Columbine Square. La ngikhona i-engine garage yaseMondio E1. I-Shell garage yaseMondio E1. It's either umuthatha itaxi umuza la ekhaya, ufona use-Shell garage or ufona use-engine garage. Kibathu understand etaba ki. I want you to understand ukuthi kumele apho ndabuko ngiyinyanga. Ngumuntu yokuthi ngisiza abantu ngamalanga amakhambi esintu. Ngemithi yesintu ngamayeza. Uyabona njengoba ngifake isigqoko lesigqoko esenkumizwe lesibhedla lesigqoko njengoba ubona ngisifakile kuthiwa ikaparmari. Lesigqoko ikaparmari. Isigqoko samandawo kaparmari. Abanye bathi kapormera. Lesigqoko isigqoko esifakwa abantu ukuthi bangogobela coming to umuthi. Bangogobela coming to kulapha abantu. Hayi lento le usesibona manje lesigqoko lesifaka wonke umuntu ithwasa belingafa igqoko esisoqaleni. Kunalokho okwenze ngeimpandane kanje but kwana uvele nje ukufake nje kungathi ilento efaka amakhosi ase KZN bese uyifase emuva kungathi umqhele eyamathwasa eyogobela eyokhokhovula lento le uyifaka ugobela wakho wathwasisa wena noma owathwasisa inyanga yakho ikufaka ikaparmera mayifaka ikaparmera wena usuku umuntu ukuthi manje sisa recognize ukuthi emandawini njengoba umndawo sesiyavuma ukuthi usungathwasisa usungayenza ini uma usulobole impande kathathu noma kane. So we get ukuthi manje emhlabeni waseNingizimu Afrika wonke umuntu sekugobela wonke umuntu ithwasa namhlanje ligidi ucela igidi ithwasa livele nje lifaka inkundu. Uyibuza ukuthi how leli thwasa ngempela vele nje lafaka inkundu lidla intwaso. Inkundu yilento le nje engathi umuntu mevela lapha uvela kungathi kunensibe so lento insiba kanje into efaka ugobela ngikaza kudala. So manje umhlabeni umhlaba usume indlela ume ngayo wonke umuntu uyazenzela. So bakwethu mina ngumela phendabuko if uqala ukungibona nginyanga enkulu yaseNingizimu Afrika ngizibiza njalo ngoba ngihambile eSouth Africa ayikho inyanga engayibona iphatha umuthi wangempela ukudlala umuthi lo mina nguphathayo. Ngihambile emazweni eMalawi ngihambile eMozambique ngisuke eNgorongoza ngisuke eShayishayi ngisuke eManyeleti bakwethu dala ngihamba eHarare ngasho nakhona eZimbabwe eBulawayo ngisuka khona yo khale ke tsamaye dala ngihamba Botswana ke tswa teng Lesotho ke tswa teng dala ngihamba into engayisho nje ukuthi dala ngihamba wena ngicela nje ubambe lokho futhi uzwe lokho dala ngihamba bakwethu dala ngihamba kulesimo sami somoya dala ngihamba njengoba udala ngihamba all I can say ukuthi indaba yomoya enye into yomoya is not something ukuthi into encane. Into yomoya into enkulu. Into yomoya into yokuthi ayahambela. So kulezi ndawo engizambile kunezinyanga ezingafiki khona la ngalanda khona amandla okuphilisa abantu amandla okusiza abantu. Angikho lapho ngila. My topic ithi Indumba is not a church. A church is not Indumba. Ngifuna sizwane. Indumba it is not a church. A church it is not Indumba. Endumbeni kusendumbeni. Endumbeni kusendumbeni. Enkonzweni kusenkonzweni. Abantu abaningi mina ngadumiswa ukuthi ngathatha inkonzo ngasebenzisa imithi ngaphakathi enkonzweni ngoba kuvume ithunywa namanyange namakhosi ami ukuthi ngisebenzise imithi ngaphakathi enkonzweni. Kodwa kuyimanje amakhosi ami namanyange ami lento le yonke bayijikile ukuthi ngingasaphindi ngisebenzise umuthi enkonzweni. And nakhona uma bengisebenzisa imithi enkonzweni bekunemithi ebekade ngivumelekile ukuyisebenzisa kuphi enkonzweni nemithi eminye ekade ngingavumelanga ukuthi ngisebenzise enkonzweni. So kunabantu ukuthi bajoyina inkonzo ngobuningi kamkhuloti because of bathi bona bahluleka uku-afforda batla mamele bona bahluleka uku-afforda ukuza kuphi na ukuza endumbeni kaDr Hoti. Laba bantu bebehluleka bona uku-afforda ke batla nkutlo bebehluleka bona uku-afforda ukubona umkhulu Hoti endumbeni. Babona ukuthi njengoba lenkonzo lekuyinkonzo yamayeza kuyinkonzo yemithi, no man, we might as well join the church. We might as well act as if we have joined the church just in order to gain whatever thing lesidingayo. Kanti bakwethu indumba, it is not a church. A church, it is not indumba. A church, it is not indumba. A church, it is not indumba. I even think we must just put it that way. A church, it is not indumba. Indumba is where you come, ufike uhlale ngale kule ndawo leyobonayo, uhlale phansi. After sitting down, ukhulume nami, Dr. Hoti nginenkinga esona so. Ungangisiza kanjani? Then mina I'll tell you ukuthi I prescribe 1 2 3 for you ukuze ngikusize. Indumba leyo. Noma uze kumina Dr. Hoti bengiqela ungihlolele sibone ukuthi inkinga yakho yini. Nguhlole ngibheke ukuthi inkinga yakho yini. Indumba leyo. A church, it's a place where sonke siyaya siyokhonza. Uma sikhonza umprofeti noma isithunywa sikaNkulunkulu siyayehla kumuntu ukuthi leader yenkonzo ukuthi laba bantu bonke ungabasiza ngalento leso. Kulawo bantu labo kuwine 5 mhlambe noma kuwine 30 kuwine 40 ngalento ukuthi uyambulelwe. So umoya ukhulume nami ngendlela different ngendaba yenkonzo ukuthi inkonzo kumele ngirane inkonzo now. A church is a church, indumba. So umoya ukhulume nami ngendlela ethi umuthi angisawufaka inkonzweni. Umuthi uhlala esigodlweni. Uma ufuna umuthi uya e180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Uma ufuna umuthi uza lapho. Uma ufuna ukubhula uza lapho. Then coming to a church, I'll announce ukuthi inkonzo yethu izabe isiqala ngapi. Ngoba ngivale inkonzo Orange Farm, ngivale inkonzo Everton. Nge-6 zika September we went for a crusade endaweni yase Soweto. People came in number and abantu basizakele in number. Batho ba-two sides. Angifune nje ukutshela abantu basizakele kakhulu. Then ngoba ne crusade nge-4 zika October endaweni yase Rustenburg. Batho batlile even though it was not as much as Soweto, but they came. So inkonzo yethu bakwethu, we might have inkonzo eSoweto, Pretoria and Rustenburg. We can have inkonzos with 3 by the very same time, or we'll start by 1. But I'll see ukuthi ngenza njani as a leader. Kodwa njengomelaphi wendabuko kibatla utsibe ukuthi ngiyinyanga, ngiyisangoma, ngumkhulu endumbeni yami. Uma ngifika enkonzweni kibatla understand ukuthi enkonzweni ngoba ngumuntu engiboniswayo, I'm just a prophet. I'm just a prophet. Ibile nna kerekeng hane ke beiwa ke fiwa bae bathi ba ile ba re ke ntate meetapele. Ke meetapele, I'm a leader enkonzweni. Ke ntate meetapele. Angisumfundisi, angisumbishop, angisi what, ke meetapele. Ngamanye amagama ngikhokhela wonke umuntu. Ngikhokhela wonke umuntu. Irregardless of you being a bishop, being a pastor, being a what. So wonke umuntu mfunazi ukuthi inkonzo izovula maduze ngoba sambile bakwethu seSoweto abantu bayifuna lento. Siye Rustenburg abantu bayifuna lento. Abantu batho bayibatla nthoyi, batho bawubatla moya wona apostola, batho bayibatla nthoyi. So njengoba kuyimanje sizabe siye Pretoria. I'll announce ukuthi when, how, kuphi na kanjani. Kodwa ngifuna wazi ukuthi a church is a church. Kereke ki kereke. I will no longer associate inkonzo nomuthi because of associating inkonzo nomuthi, we get that inkonzo ends up nabantu wrong. Abantu ekuthi abezange inkonzweni, but they came for their own selfish desires only. Being true to tell you an honest truth, I was so happy ukufika endaweni yase Ruteham Primary School. Why was I happy? I was happy because, hey, you won't believe. Uyazi Ruteham Primary School, I saw abantwana bambomoya, abantu ekuthi dala ngikhonza nabo, wasana le myomong Jehova umudimo waka umudimo wa Israel. Ngezwa inhliziyo yami. I just didn't have time to talk to them after the service ngoba kumele ngihambe ezumuntu ogadwayo. Ama-bodyguard awavuma ukuthi ngihlale isikhathi eside. Yazi ngezinhliziyo yami kuhlwa mme wakhe Mosheba angikhumbuza kudala. Kare khante bantse ba le teng bana ba ka ba moya. Bantse ba rata Dr. Oti. Bantse ba rata tshebeletso ye. Bebezila to Soweto people came in number, and uyazi ukuthi eSoweto it was restricted for me to get into Jozi FM because of it was just a short notice for them. So if bengibize ne Jozi FM nan begyoba kubi. So bakwethu ngiyabonga support to the people of which came to Soweto, ngiyabonga support to the people of which came to Rustenburg. So now I've literally seen that you are really in need of inkonzo. You are really in need of this church. So I'll make by all means ukuthi inkonzo ngivule. Jwale ke batla fela wa understand ukuthi uma uzojoina imvuselelo. If God modimo ka se ka ba buye ka tsela ye ngobane sengina there's been almost 3 times ngibonisa igama elisha for inkonzo. So kuyobonakala ukuthi kwenzakala ini. If uNkulunkulu elishintshile ngempela ishintsho ngoba sengibona amagama kathathu lokushintsha igama lenkonzo. So if ngempela igama lenkonzo liyoshintsha ukushintsha, ngibatla understand ukuthi uma uze enkonzweni awuzi endumbeni, awuzi enyangeni, awuzi emithini, kereke muriana ki muriana. Let us differentiate these things bakwethu. Kereke umuthi. I'm no longer preaching inkonzo ukuthi enkonzweni senzisa umuthi. In le nkonzo le inkonzo ukuthi ayikethululi abantu amadlozi, ayikethuli umoya, ayikethuli imzalwane, Msayoni, Mzesisi, Shembe, IPCC in inkonzo. It's a home, it's a tree. It accommodates all branches and structures. So ngame magama uma umuntu uzabuza enkonzweni ka Dr. Oti from now on, utabutse ba uye enkonzweni awuyi kumkhulu, uya enkonzweni awuyi umkhulu this umkhulu that. No, le nkonzo manje ngizoyivula inkonzo ekuthi izabe ingazimandakanyisi nomuthi. Itlabe seyikopansi kizulu bani, itlabe seyikopansi lemuriana ayizimandakanyi nomuthi noma nemithi. Wena uma ufuna imithi uDr. Oti nosigodlo C1 nginendumba A1, nginamakhosi ayi1 azinze emzini waseMondio 180 ENM Road Mondio, 180 ENM Road Mondio, 180 ENM Road Mondio. Ilagwa na umuthi mufuna uzakhona, uma ufuna ukubhulelwa uzakhona. Enkonzweni it's a prophecy. Uma umoya uthi ngikhulume nawe ngiprofita phezulu kwempilo yakho, ngizoprofita phezulu kwempilo yakho ukuthi ngempilo yakho kunje. That's a church. Lezinye zokuthi inkonzo izabe inkonzo ngapha ine structure sendumba, akunamathambo, akunamuthi oyongena ngomnyango wenkonzo. Uma ufuna i1-on-1 nami enkonzweni, you will get a prophetic one-on-one. We are now about to start a new ministry. It will be based in Soweto, Pretoria and Rustenburg. Ngiyalungisa akadula fela bana baka hakyale lahla njengoba ngithule. This Dr. Oti Khetela Makhehla nyanga enkulu nyanga yase Ningizimu Africa. The bank accounts are appearing on the screen. Kwesinye isikhathi wena umuntu ekuthi you really want to plant a seed into this new formation, into this new ministry, please do make sure that you plant a seed. Any money that you want, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, depending on you want to plant a seed, yamalin. Plant a seed on this new formation, on this new ministry of which is about to take, of which is about to become something ezobankulu, of which is about to take path. So please do make sure ukuthi you plant your seed. Iyasho iBhayibheli ithi isandla esibusekile isandla esiphayo kunesandla esamukelayo. Amanamba avela ku screen, amabhenki avela ku screen. Busisa amabhenki amkhuloti sikwazi ukuthi sigijimise isimo sendaba yenkonzo. Ngiyabonga.